How to resize photo to Instagram square size on Android or iPhone. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to resize your photo to Instagram square size. So wherever you are using that is iPhone or Android, it's the same process. So first just head over to your gallery or Google Photos, and once you're inside here, just tap on this edit button over here, and you can see there is a free icon or free button option. You simply have to tap on that, and you need to remember that. Let me just quickly show you that the aspect ratio for the square Instagram photo is 1:1, meaning both width and height are equal. So what you need to do is just come over to this free button and simply tap on this 1:1, as you can see. So this is actually the square pattern or square size of the particular photo which will be shown on Instagram. Now simply tap on the save button over here to save it as a square of your photo and simply share it on your Instagram. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.